Today we're going to be making a mountain, a cool type of mountain. So I'm going to go get my paper and then we'll get started. So what you need is you want to have something to color with and, well, yeah, do the details of this. This all. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so first thing we do is the mountain thing, right? Okay. So I'm not art friends. So let's get to this corner. Wait. Hit the ground. Okay. Then you want to get this. Wait. I'm going to do it and then I'm going to show you what I did.
Support for NPR comes from the station and from the Jack Hancock Foundation. The Jack Hancock Young Scholars Program provides free college scholarships for high-performing seventh-grade students with financial needs.
Okay, so that's the mountain foundation. So there's a vent from this corner and start just putting like that. Okay, so now we're gonna make a sun. So right there. We're gonna do this. Got it? Okay. Now we're gonna get here. We're gonna go here and go. Yeah. Then what to do is go. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the mountain. Get on the top. Let's get to the top and make it a point. See that little spike you have right there? If you have one. If you don't, just try to make your best. You want to make that. Little point, see? Now, let's make things. So what we're going to do is get your pen or pencil, what we have, and you want to get it, and just put these little spikes down from the top.
I just need this river. Do you know?
Keep doing that.
This is mine. River. This is mine. I got this. It's my real one.
I had to tell you. So I'm going to pause the video. So you can keep doing that down from until it's all covered with that, and you'll see what happens. See? I paused the video. I did that. Now I'll see the other one in 3, 2, 1. See? Okay. So I just kept it going down like that. Maybe like a curve and stuff. So you see that? Now I want to make something cool to it. I want to pull a boulder on top, a little rock. So that's how I want to make an American flag. So on that point, we'll go right here. Let's put a little that. Top round that off. And then I also want to make a Texas flag. So what we're going to do is, I think it's like this. 1 star. I'm going to do that. And then I think that's white and blue. No. Red and blue? No. That's white, that's red, that's blue. Okay. The next gold picture. Now what else we're going to do? What we're going to do is next to the sun, let's put a zip line. No, string. Yeah, for a zip line. So it's going to go from here next to the sun and go that. See that? Once you get white about there, you want to stop and curl like that. And then you want to go to the other side of the paper. Okay, like that. And then you want to go a little up. You want to put that with the string and with a little thing. Zip line, and then you want to put that with that curve. Okay. Now let's start coloring. So I'm gonna pause the video, color everything, and if you want to do what, you can just wait. Well, I'm pause the video, do everything, and then yeah. So I'm pausing 3, 2, 1. These are the colors I'm gonna use. Then now I'm gonna color. Color tip. See this color? I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put up here. So, cause you can see right there. See this? See? Color tip. Okay, that's the color tip. I'll see you in the splat. Wait, 1 second. See you in the splat. My drawing has been going good. I love drawing. I want to be an astronaut and a artist, so I might just might bring seeds and like paint and other things to do, and like draw what I see when I go to astronaut. But that's my backup. If I don't go be an astronaut, I'll be a artist or an engineer or something like that. So yeah. So being a mountain, it's beautiful. You make a volcano, so I make mine a volcano. So start. Now what we're gonna use is my orange. These are the colors we're gonna use for the sun. First, what we're gonna do is what we're gonna do right here. I'm gonna use some orange to make a cool outline. Then I'll make like that. Like that. This one's orange, not red or yellow. It's actually orange. But you'll get it to us and stuff. And then let's use the yellow and stuff for a good mixing. Then we can get this. Now get your Sharpie. Do that. Now what else we're gonna do is so you have to do if you want to make a volcano. So what I'm gonna do is make a little cool form on top of the hill. We'll make a hole. So how to make this hole is we're gonna get this, and you want to make a little platform like that. Now let's make some lava or smoke coming out. Let's make some smoke coming out first. No eruption. So I just made that zip line for a cool effect. So let's make like my smoke's gonna go this way. Like that. And then you can color it in with some smoke color. And then you can make some lava coming out. So what we use is some orange for a little detail coming out of it. Also making some lava spreading out. Onto the thing. So now then we sign our artwork wherever you want. I'm gonna sign next to the zip line with the pen, and then I'll add some few details to it, but this is how I do it in cursive. My name now. So I like doing my name now, but I'm not doing it in school. And then I do this. Look at that. That's what I do. Like an E right there, so it goes up. So add some few details. You can get out right now and do something else, but I'm gonna pause. But I'm doing some real details right now. If you want to see them, first detail is the lava. Let's make some walks. Little walks coming out. See? Little dots like that. Make it bigger. See? Get your red for lava. Keep doing that. Okay. Do all around your build. Next, better smoke. Use pen or pencil. Step 3, I think. Eat your snack. Step 4, water. Step 5. Make a complete sentence.
What?
It's a volcano, Rain.
A volcano?
Yep.
How did you make it? The flag. How did you make the American flag? The flag.
That's a Texas flag.
How do you make it?
It's actually easy.
You just put a lashapaka or bapadaba.
Man, I'm giving them tips. Don't write anything, okay?
Okay.
Oh, no. Okay. Step 6. Take red and put it down your build. Step 7. Turn off your fan if you have one. No! It's back. No. Step 7? Oh yeah, wait, no, step 8. Take your orange and put it near the smoke. And put next to the American flag coming down. Step 9. Eat another snack with your hat on. It's gone again. Step 10. Say hello to your artwork. Hello. Step 11. Look at your beautiful artwork. Well, that was a good one. My hat on my artwork. And so if you like this video, please send me some packages. And the packages will include, give me some coloring and supplies and boxes. I want boxes and tape and white paper. No, white paper, yeah. And also white shirts and stuff, all different sizes. And things to, and colors to put on the shirts. And coach pies. I don't know how that will cost $2,000, I think. Oh no. Well, see you. Remember, drawing is future.